up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. In today's video we're gonna get the notch scanned and color matched, so let's go. Alright, so I'm continuing with doing a bunch of small things to the notch. These little small things, as I've mentioned in the previous videos, they make big differences on our Fox bodies. And one of the things that I'd like to get done is I want to do some paint touch up. There's a little bit of just some minor work to do on the lower rocker there. One of the pinch welds are bent. I think both sides of the pinch welds are bent, so I want to straighten those out, but make sure I have some paint in place for touch-ups. So as you guys know, I bought this notch from my buddy Mark, but he's not sure of the paint color. It appears to be like a dark shadow gray with some metal flake. And he didn't have any touch-up paint, so I'm gonna run out to the my usual little body shop supply place, and they're gonna scan the car for me, and they do an excellent job of matching the paint color. The computer tells you even how close of a match it is, so I'm gonna get them to mix up a little quart of touch-up paint for me, and I'll get some clear and just a few other little things just in case if I got to go a little bit further with the pinch welds there. So that said, I'm going to unload the notch, and we're going to go for a little ride, and we'll see you guys at the paint shop. The sun is pretty good right now, and it's actually bringing out a lot of the metal flake. We'll see if, not sure if the camera's going to pick it up, but oh yeah. It's a really cool color. Just wanted to show you guys the flake. Alright, we're here at D&W Auto Body Supplies in Guelph, so hopefully they have the scanner in. Let's go find out. What do you think?
I think it looks really good. I don't think it's...
So you did a good job then.
Yeah.
So we're all done Angela did a great job matching the color. It came up as a charcoal metallic off of both Lamborghini and Ferrari, so that was kind of interesting, but nonetheless I got some supplies that I needed. I got her to mix a little touch-up paint bottle. Also I did an aerosol can, and I picked up a 2K clear can as well, so when I touch up the pinch welds or whatnot, I have the supplies ready to go. So other than that, I'm gonna head over to Costco now and pick up some household supplies. When I get home, we'll do a few little touch-ups and see how good it looks. Who says you can't go in a notch? It's a good grocery getter. We're back at home, unloaded the groceries, and I'm just gonna test, just touch up a little spot here. So there's a little chip right here, and I'm just gonna touch. That's the only one I'm gonna do for today because the car does need to be clean. So let's see how good of a match we got. So a couple little things. I'm just shaking up the little touch-up bottle. When I once I crack this one open, then I'm gonna transfer it from this little plastic bottle into a little paint can. The touch-up paint in the plastic bottles tend to dry out a lot quicker because the seal is not as good. So if you throw it in a little paint can, it's gonna last a long time. You know, I've never had any paint go bad in a paint can. So anyways, I'm going to transfer it in there. And another little thing that I prefer using, you know, this has the little brush on it, but I prefer using a match. So I just take a match, I cut it on an angle, and that's my little touch-up stick. See how good this touch-up is going to be. Kind of feel like I got a little bit more control with the match than the brush for whatever reason. All right, that one's done. It actually looks a little bit dark going on, but let's give it a few minutes to dry, and we'll take a peek at it. So here's the paint chip. I'm just gonna zoom in for you guys really tight. You can see the color. It's right here. You can see the color is really, really good, and I'm super happy with that. Keeping in mind it's still drying, and I'll take a look at it again tomorrow. Might need a little bit of a fill in, but otherwise that's as close as you get. Looks really good. That's it for today, guys. I know it was another little small item, but it was on my to-do list, and even these little small things take up some time. I burned a few hours just merely picking up the supplies, but I'm happy. I know the color of the car now, the charcoal metallic. I got some touch-up paint, and tomorrow when it's a little bit brighter, it's the end of the day. We're kind of losing daylight to sun quickly now. I'll touch everything up, and I'll move on to the next little item. So other than that, thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.